Welcome back, UrVoyz community. We still have Jess on the channel, and this time she's going to give us her nuggets on how to become a phenomenal actor and or actress. Look, I'm not biased, right? So I'm not sexist. But you're going to break it down for us because you've been there and done that, and still in the process of, let's say I wanted to be an actor.
Yeah.
How do I get started?
Well, the way that I got started was because I was searching online to see what type of classes that you could take. There's going to be some companies that will be like, hey, we're doing this casting, or we get this type of courses. And you got to watch out where exactly where you're going to go, because there's scammers there. You know, they will teach you, but at the same time, they will take more of your money than what you're learning and the opportunity of the dreams that they want to, you know, everybody in this world have a dream. And they learn the #1 key of it is to take advantage of people's dreams.
Oh my gosh.
So you have to be careful, especially in the city of New York. You know, where to actually go to. I began going online and checking to see where I could get some acting classes. And actually I found one that did really work for me. And it was with my professor, Carlos Alfredo Fatule. You could go to fatulefilms.com. And he does acting classes in Spanish. And he does vocal classes also if you want to take.
And he's legit though.
He is legit. Okay. You graduate with the certificate stamped by legit from the state of New York. They're going to have an agency for us. They do have an agency for us that they will help you get castings. And they do a lot of stuff. So they do free headshots for you if you need free headshots. They do the measurements of your bodies. And they also check to see what's the what's qualifies more best for you, so you could be able to.
What's a headshot?
A headshot it will be a picture that will show from the chest up to your head, and it will give you a clear shot from your face. Now, a mid-body shot will be from your belly button or from your waist up to your top, and that will be the mid. And
that's what will sell you, pretty much. You're pretty
basically,
much,
yeah, yeah. But mostly when they do casting, they want to see your headshot from mid chest up to yourself, so because they want to see, you know, the expressions. Now, there's different type of expressions. You have to do a serious face. You have to do a smiley one.
Yay!
And you gotta do like a.
Oh my goodness! That looks like emojis.
Yeah.
Like the emojis.
Sometimes in castings, they ask for full body size headshots, and they want to know if you're a female, what's the length of your hair. And if you're willing to get your hair cut off or dyed or whatever is necessary for that, you know, acting part that they need.
Give us a tip that not the average person knows, not something you can Google. What tip would you give somebody trying to crack it in about acting?
Well, I spoke about fear, right? So mainly when you're in front of a camera or you're in front of a crowd, and you get nervous, always focus on what you have in your head. It's called blinding your surroundings. Blinding your surroundings. Now, when you're in front of a camera, make sure that you are focusing on the lens instead of what's surrounding other people that surround you. Don't be afraid of a camera, because it's just the lens. It's not going to bite you, and it's not that you're going to think you're going to do something wrong. Just focus on what you're supposed to learn, the line that you're supposed to learn, and do your magic. You know, it's like, go for it. If you have that talent, go for it. And if you don't, work, because the best thing you could do is practice in front of yourself in a mirror. Record yourself at home. Go ahead, record yourself over and over again. Find your sweet side, found your good side and your voice, and do everything that's possible. I intend to try to practice a lot, because I like mumble around my way. Sometimes I talk too fast and I just like, you know, run over my words.
The wonderful Spanish in you. That's
yeah. So they tell me, Jessica, neutralize your boricua talk, and I'm like, I thought I was.
Okay.
When you're in front of a crowd and you're gonna do like a hosting or you're gonna do theater, always make sure that you look at 3 points. There's always a wide angle. Now you got 3 points. You got the right, you got the left, and you got the center. Always try to look not at the people, but what's behind, and just go forward, if you're going to talk to this person over here, you're going to make sure that you just focusing on a wall, or just look for your point and say what you have to speak, and then you go look for the center and you talk, so everybody could feel that you're getting everybody's attention and that you're talking to everybody. You always take the side from your shoulder, and you're gonna measure that with the last chair on the audience, so they won't lose your expression when you're speaking to them, or you're gonna cry, or you're gonna scream. Last tip that I'm gonna give for free.
Okay.
Always, when you're gonna have a high voice, you need to tuck tight your belly, and you gotta tuck in your tucks in the back.
Oh,
and
so yeah.
you gotta basically, you gotta basically hold into that, so you could be able to talk loud in a large amount of crowd, and you won't lose your breath, or you won't lose your recitation, and you won't hurt your vocals.
So you're speaking from your diaphragm,
from the guts,
from right in here, and you're sucking up your everything, then letting it fly. Okay.
And it's good for your abs too, because you're doing some work right there.
Ab workout. Okay, Jess. Who do you look at as a role model, so to speak? Male or female?
Well, I would say Jim Carrey. He's wide open right now, you know. Not right now, he's always been wide open. He knows how to multitask on a lot of different, you know, comedies or drama.
That's right, he's gone from comedy to drama. That's right.
And you know, for me, I think he's like my old back in the school person that I used to love to watch, you know.
Okay.
And he always there, you know. My second one is Denzel Washington.
Oh, Mr. Washington, yes. Okay.
Jim Carrey will be in my comedy section. Okay. And then Denzel Washington will be my drama and action type. And Zoe Saldana.
Oh, Zoe Saldana. Saldana, yes.
That's another one that really inspires me a lot. Johnny Depp. How can I forget Johnny Depp? That's
Captain Jack, yes, absolutely.
I think you know what? I'm just going to move him back all the way to the top one, because how many personalities, that characters he could play, multiple ones. He could do, you know, from being a crazy nut to being a comedy one, and to being a pirate, and being, I think he has more than 30 characters that he have played so well. Yeah, I think he's most of the ones that I really aspire, because it's hard to go into that role. When you're acting, you have to live that person. You have to, like, you're not Jessica Torres anymore. You know, if you're Michelle, you're Michelle now. You gotta live Michelle's type. So if Michelle is all, you know, a person that's starving and a person that's not, so I have to be in that mood. Why am I here? It's all about that, you know, and I think that Johnny Depp kills it all the time.
He gets lost in his roles, I would say.
Thank you guys for watching, and it's been a pleasure. Thank you for receiving me.
Of course.
We're watching UrVoyz. My name is Jessica Torres. See you guys next time.